Um, Hello, folks. Basically, the agenda of this video is basically to brief you on the new queue management system version um, that has been implemented. Basically, it's a similar system to the previous version, basically with some of the advanced features. This video is basically targeted towards counter staff, and we would look at the new dashboard that has been offered in this version for the counter staff. Please keep in mind that your credentials will remain the same. You'll be using the same username and password and same URL for accessing the queue management system. You can see there's a username. You'll be able to see the login page. You can key in your username and password, and we'll be pressing login, and this is a new dashboard that is there. Okay, we'll be basically addressing the dashboard functionality being offered in this new version in this video, and then there'll be other videos following which will explain the ticket calling screen and other reporting that is being offered for the counter staff in this new version. At the top, basically you can see the average wait time. That's overall average wait time for the organization. Next to that, you can see the overall average service time. That's collectively for the complete organization. And then we have on the top quick information that basically tells us what's the feedback of the customers. Okay, just to tell you, there's a new concept that is introduced in this version that's called the NPS Net Promoter Score. This is an international standard for capturing the feedback of the customers. One very important thing that I would like to highlight in this session, in this version, is that each feedback will be binded against an agent, irrespective to the current mechanism where the feedback can be given on each counter and it is not linked to the ticket exactly. But now in this new version, any feedback that is given will be binded against that particular ticket which is being served, and to that particular counter who is serving the ticket, and of course the agent as well. Next to it, it will show you the best agent NPS, which agent has the best NPS in the branch, and then the overall NPS of the branch, of course. Looking at the main pie chart, it basically gives us a detail. It gives us a detail of our division of the services that we have served. Basically, it shows that 100% of the tickets that are served are for teleservices. I would like to show you one important thing as well, that is settings. From here, basically you can choose the period for which you want to generate the dashboard. By default, when you log into the system, the period selected is for the past 1 week. But you are free to choose any date range. You can go to the beginning of the year as well and choose a date and press apply settings. It will load your entire dashboard for that particular period. So this pie chart is basically showing me what all services I have served, basically. What all services I have served for that particular period. I can click and see the details as well. It shows me teleservices and it shows me the count. It shows me the average wait time of that particular service as well. It shows me the lowest wait time that for the ticket that I have served. It shows the highest wait time for the ticket and average wait time for the ticket. As an agent, to be very honest, we might not be really caring about the wait times. What we would be more interested is the service time that are shown here. I'll come to that later. Now it shows me the total served tickets are 2. I have served total tickets 2. I can click and I can get to see the details. It shows me the date, it shows me the branch, it shows me the ticket number, it shows me the status, it shows me the service for which that ticket was taken, it shows us the agent, that's myself, and it shows the wait time and the service time for those particular tickets. Total served tickets and total tickets with NPS. What is the difference between this? The difference is the total served tickets might be high in figure and total tickets with NPS might be low in figure. Why is that? Total served tickets might be high because the previous tickets, older data that is available in the system was without NPS information. NPS information has been NPS survey that has been just introduced in the new version. So this version will have your older performance data as well. So this is the reason there's a difference. There are two different figures shown here. That's total served tickets and total tickets with NPS. The next thing is total surveyed. It basically shows you how many tickets you have served with the NPS and how many people have actually given survey for you. And then how many no submissions are there, how many people have not really given any feedback for your tickets. So you have served, there are 2 tickets with NPS, total surveyed 2, that means no submission is 2. So total tickets with NPS minus total surveyed will give you no submissions. Then it quickly tells you how many percentage of your percentage of the customers that you have served are happy, how many are neutral, and how many are unhappy. Unhappy is called detractors. Then basically it shows you the lowest service time, the highest service time, and the average service time of the your tickets, basically which is the ticket that you have served which has the lowest service time, what's your average service time, and what is the highest service time. Basically you would be more interested to understand what's your average service time. You should just ensure that the average service time is basically as per the standard, as per the benchmark set internally by the management. Applications, here application count, you can simply ignore it. This is irrelevant. It's a standard procedure but not really applicable to the bank. Coming to the violations, this system basically has different violations. Different kind of violations are there. If you violate any ticket, any serving time of any particular ticket, it will generate a violation. It will generate a violation on the dashboard for you. It will be generating an email violation, and it will the floor manager or the branch manager will be notified by email and SMS, and on their dashboard as well they'll be getting a violation. I repeat myself, if you violate any ticket service time, there'll be a violation on the dashboard. There will be violation on the manager's dashboard, and there will be an email notification violation to them, and it will be on their dashboard as well. There's violation for breaks as well. The new system is tracking breaks as well. You will be able to notify the system whenever you're not available on the counter. This would be further clear once we go into the next video, where we'll be explaining the ticket calling interface. So this is all about the dashboard. We'll be continuing this in the next video, where we will be addressing the ticket calling and new ticket calling interface.